Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, happy Thursday. It's day 129 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
Wow. If you don't know, that's us. We're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while under quarantine.
And we thank you all for being here and for watching. And for those of you that have been with us for a while, we're so thankful that you have come back every day to see what we're up to in our garden, and we hope that we've been able to inspire you a little bit too. Or for those of you that are new to our channel, welcome, and we would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on all the daily videos we post.
So guys, we are really excited today. We're not gonna show you anything going on around the garden. We're really excited to tell you today about something we've been working on since the very beginning of this year, and it's taken a lot of hard work. And we're finally to a point where we can actually tell you unofficially, we are going to publish our first book, and it's going to be released on February 9th of 2021.
We're so thankful, hugely thankful to Jessica and the whole Cool Springs press crew for seeking us out and asking us to write this. And I mean, we were just humbled from the get-go.
Totally.
And it has been such an incredible experience, and we cannot wait to get this out in front of people.
Yep.
And the title of the book officially is First Time Gardener. It's a new series that Cool Springs Press is starting. So First Time Gardener, growing plants and flowers, all the know-how you need to tend to your garden using eco-friendly methods.
We wrote this because we wanted to help any gardener out there that either is starting gardening or wants to know more about gardening, to help them learn more about plants in general, and then how to go about gardening in their yard, how to take care of plants, how to handle plants and flowers, and just give a really good overview of what to expect and to learn more about gardening.
This was a great collaboration for both of us, and a huge challenge for me personally. I got to shoot the photography for the entire book. So I've been shooting photos for a few years now, and I started with wildlife, just kind of loving taking bird shots and things. And then it kind of morphed into flower shots and landscapes.
Yeah, the journey for both of us has been amazing. And if you've ever done a huge project with your spouse or partner, you know there are many different hurdles to get through to get to the end point, to get to the finish line of that project. And so I got to tell you, I couldn't have done it without Allison.
I couldn't have done it without you
So,
either. And I really think, you guys, we could actually write a whole book on writing a book together as a spouse, because, or as a couple, because we learned so much along the way, and it's all about organization and communication.
Oh yeah.
So we are super thankful mainly to you guys, our audience on Instagram, our audience on our podcast.
It'll be released on February 9th, 2021, and you can find it on Amazon for pre-order. You can find it on Barnes & Noble and a couple other places too, and we'll put the links down below for that. So guys, again, we're excited to be able to present this to you unofficially about our new book, our first book, and go ahead and leave your comments and questions down below. We'd love to hear what you have to say about this, or any questions you have about the book or about being a first-time gardener. And give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And thank you for watching and for listening to us. And have a great day, you guys. We'll be back tomorrow with our Friday plant chat, and we've got a really good one for you tomorrow.
Yep. So until then, see you tomorrow.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.